If you are doing a team competition, one member from each student team will need to create a team page and invite their team members to join. This is easy and only takes a couple of minutes. This can be done in class during the Climate Solutions Challenge activity introduction. To create the team page, click on Invite Your Friends/Community button. Then select Create a Team. Instruct the students on how to name their teams so it is easy to keep track and identify teams on the site. An example would be that the team name needs to start or end with the class period and name, such as Solar Stars ES1A. ES for Environmental Science, 1A for the period. The student will add their name here at the top of the form. They can add the names of the people on their team for their description, but it's not needed. Then click Save. Once they've created their team on their account on the toolbar, they can hover over the team icon and they'll see their team name listed next to it. Once you click that, they will have a button that says Invite Team Members in order to get the link to share to the rest of their team so they can join. They need to give this link to their team members and this will add them to the team. You can also request to join any team. As a team leader, if you receive a request to join, ensure that the request is from a team member before accepting. Now in this example, for this Climate Warriors team, you can also change the background image with the gray pencil, and you can upload your own image here. And you can also change the icon right here in the corner. So the little black group photo here, you can also replace it with your own image. And this image will be public. So the icon for your team will be public, but everything else will be private. It is very important that students have already created their account with your custom community group link, so they will be connected with your class group, and you can see student actions and track progress there. On the team page, students can see their team progress, team members, team standings, and what actions they are all working on. They can also create a post that will only go to their team members. Teachers, if you need account support on using the platform, click on the question mark icon on the blue toolbar and fill out the form. For questions or suggestions on the classroom program, please visit our Facebook group at Teachers for Climate Solutions.